Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Melissa and these are my 3 little ones, and we have a fun little recipe to show you guys today for like jello cups. So we got our different fruits and stuff, and we made some jello. And show yours. I'll get it real close and show it. We got 2 different kinds here. We got like a cranberry flavor and a white grape juice one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. We're gonna enjoy some of these right now, and yeah, all right. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Bite. They're good? You like it?
Different types of flavors.
All right, so let's get into this video. I will warn you that it may be a little bit chaotic because I am letting my kids help me, but we're gonna do this thing. And yeah, so I've got some juices here and some canned fruit, and I will leave exact descriptions down below in the description box. I've got a bowl for my fruit, some gelatin here, and I have 6 tablespoons total, but I have it divided into 3 tablespoons each in each cup because I'm using 2 different kinds of juice. And also some maraschino cherries. So I have about 3 cups of the canned fruit that I've chopped up, and then we're just gonna put about halfway to the top of these cups. These little cups are about 5.5 ounces each. So we're doing about 2 to 3 ounces of fruit in each cup. And yeah, I'm letting my kids kind of help me put the fruit in, just any part of the video that they could help me with. I'm trying to let them help me with. So this part will go a little bit slow, but I won't make you watch them put like fruit into every single cup. Yeah. So I went ahead and did the middle cups here, and now I'm letting my younger son do some too, and this part's going to take a while, but I wanted them to be featured in the video because that will make them be proud of themselves and proud of the recipe that they accomplished together. So yeah. All right, and now these are ready to be put to the side while we make our jello. So first we're going to start off with our cranberry juice, and we are going to pour 3 cups into our measuring glass here. And just a rule of thumb, for every 1 cup of juice that you're using, you want to use 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder. And then what we're going to do is use 1 cup of the 3 cups of juice and pour it into our saucepan, and then add all of the tablespoons, the 3 tablespoons of beef gelatin. We're going to mix it into that 1 cup of juice and heat it on the stove. And I am going to let my littlest guy here do the honors. And then we want to give that a good whisk until all of the white powder has absorbed the juice, and then we will put it on the stove. And it's really important to do this before you put it on the stove, before it starts heating up, because if you put the gelatin into the hot juice, it will kind of create like a gelatin sac around the dry powder, and we don't want that because it'll just make like really hard gelatin pieces in there. So this is a process called blooming. So we're blooming the gelatin at this point. And now it's time to put it on the stove, and we're just going to do like a medium to high heat. And we are just going to let this kind of simmer a little bit till it heats up and the mixture becomes clear again. We don't really quite have to bring it to a boil or a simmer or anything. We just want to make sure that the mixture is clear. So this is about what it should look like when it is ready to be poured into the other 2 cups of juice. Just gonna give it another little stir to make sure all of it's all well combined. And then it's time to pour over half of the fruit cups that we've made. And then we're just going to repeat that same process with our other kind of juice. And now we're just gonna put some lids on these, and then they are ready for the fridge, and they will be done and ready to eat in about 3 to 4 hours. I would go with the 4 hours because the fruit in them sort of makes them a little more watery. And here's what they look like when they're all done. So these are super yummy, and my kids enjoyed them so much, and they had a lot of fun making them as well. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you happen to make these, please tag me in your photos on Instagram, and make sure to give this video a like and share it with your friends.